Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have a metal combo cage fit for the GoPro 9, 10, 11 and 12. Let's dive down and take a closer look. Okay, so this one here is from Tellison, and it's a metal combo cage. Like I said before, it's suited for 9, 10 and 11. When this came out, it was only the 11, but the 11 GoPro is still the same size as the 12, so you can get up to the 12 as well. Alright, so let's have a look at this and see what it is. Obviously I've been using it. And what else does it have in here? Right, so that's the cage itself, and it is metal, well constructed. It's nice and light, and you can obviously take these off if you wanted to and put them on the side or wherever you wanted to put them, or take them off. But anyway, this is how it is, and I'll show you in a minute what we can do with it. Now, it comes with this extra bit here, so you can do your vertical videos as well, which is quite good that they offer to put this in the box as well. And that just sits on the side here, like so, and you just put it on your tripod like that. All right, let's give it a quick weigh. And it's only 67.51 grams. So it's very, very light. The construction is really solid, and it feels like real quality. I really like the feel of it, and the matte finish on the color is really good. It's just feels like a real high quality item here. So I really do recommend it. It feels really nice, and it feels really strong and steady. Even though it's light, it still has that factor of feeling really expensive and well made. So kudos to Tellison. Very nice product so far. Okay, so let's put the GoPro in and see how it fits. All right, so you pull it up to open. Now this is the 11. Slide it in. Slide this down. And clicks into place. Now you can get to your door through the side here, which is really good. But anyway, that's how it is. Let's close this door here. And yeah, it looks good. I think it's great. It protects your camera, and it's quite light too. So let's put it on a tripod and see how it looks. Okay, so that's it. That's how it looks. Now you can mount your light on top if you want, or you can put a microphone. It's up to you. You could also put it on the side here as well. Here we have a mic. Put it on the top. Not bad. And we can also put on the side. Okay, so let's take this one off here. We'll put it on put that down for now, and let's pop this one on. Comes with its own key as well. And that's it on the side. All right, so take it off here and we'll put it on the side. And now you can do your vertical videos. And there's a little spot up here for your microphone, which I think is quite genius actually. And that's it, really. So what do you think? Is there something that you'd like to buy? It will protect your camera. There's no doubt about that. The links are in the description. Go have a read up on it yourselves. And that's basically it, really, for this one. Well, thanks very much, everyone, if you're still there. If you are still there and you like the content so far, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you on the next one, which is pretty soon.